Today we will learn how to draw the pie chart. So come to question number 2 of exercise 19. The number of students in a college given in different faculties in this question. So first we will convert all of the values in the central angle using the formula value of component upon total multiplied by 360 degree. First add all the values 1200 plus 650 plus 1000 plus 450 and 300 and the total is 360. The first value given, the number of students in arts, they are 1200. So using the formula value of one component upon total value multiplied by 360 degree, we will get the angle 120 degree. Using the same formula, we will convert all these values in the degree to draw the pie chart. And we will get all these values in the degrees are as 65 degree in commerce, 100 degree in science, 45 degree in law and 30 degree in education. To draw the pie chart, first draw a circle of any radius. Draw its radius. Now come to the highest, the biggest value, that is 120 degree. So first of all we will take 120 degree, draw an angle of 120 degree which will be the sector of the circle of 120 degree. Now we will continue it by taking the values in the decreasing order. The second value in science is given 100 degree. So now draw an angle of 100 degree which will represents the part of science. The next one is commerce 65 degree. Now make an angle of 65 degree. It will represents the value of commerce. Then law 45 degree and then the at last remaining will be 30 degree. Now we will add all these angles. 120 plus 65 plus 100 plus 45 plus 30 is equal to 360 degree, and this 360 degree the total value, and these sectors are representing the value of different subjects, the number of students. We can color the each sector by different color